In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to make a simple palazzo trousers pattern. So the first thing I'm going to do is mark my hip measurement. This is the waistline. I'll mark my hip measurement. Then I'll mark my crotch measurement over here. Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line. Then I'm going to connect my hip circumference measurements that was marked on my waistline down to the crotch. I'll mark the same hip measurement that was marked on the waistline. So this is the hip measurement, which is both on the crotch and also on the waistline. Then I'm going to connect the 2 points together. Then I'll mark my crotch extension. So you get what is there, then divide it by 4. Whatever is on this line, divide it by 4, and that will be your crotch extension. So put my crotch extension of 2 outwards. Then I'm going to curve my crotch. I'm going to curve my crotch line. Then I'm going to connect this line down to the ankle or the trousers full length. Here we can mark our waist to hip measurement. Or waist to trousers full length, sorry. Waist to knee and waist to trousers full length. So this is the knee line and this is the trousers full length. Then connect the crotch extension downwards. Just connect this crotch extension line down to the full length of the trousers. As easy as that. Then on the waist line, you're now going to get your waist measurement, divide by 4 and mark it out here. Then curve your waist and shape your waist. So guys, this is how you easily make a simple palazzo trousers pattern. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.